In this video, I will teach you how to use Mango Card app to sell your gift card in 2026. Go and download this application called Mango Card. It is available on Apple Store and also on Play Store. And don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel and also turn on your notification, because whenever I drop another video, YouTube is going to notify you. Like this video and also share it for more people to see. And after you watch this video, if you have any question, write it in the comment section and I will answer you. Do you understand? So after you download this application, open it and it's going to look like this. And you can see down here, you can see don't own an account, register now. Click on register now. When you get to this interface, you can see put your Gmail here. Make sure it is an active Gmail because you are going to get a code with it. Do you understand? Then after you put your Gmail, you can see verification code. Leave it first and jump to where it says password. Do you understand? Make sure that your password starts with capital letter. Let's say Godwin for example. Write it and make sure it starts with capital letter. At the back, add number and add any special character like this or like this. Do you understand right now? So after that, jump to where it says referral code. You can see referral code is optional, but make sure you use this referral code to register. If you use it, they are going to give you a welcome bonus. Do you understand? Or I think it's 3,000 naira or 5,000 naira. And also they are going to reward me with something. And if you didn't use it, you will not get the welcome bonus and they will not reward me as well. So I will say please use this invitation code to register. So after you put this invitation code, go back to where it's a verification code. You can see at the front of it, you can see send. Tap on that send and immediately they are going to send code to your Gmail. Take that code and put it here. Before it expires, click on register and your account will be registered successfully. Do you understand right now? Now I'm going to log into my own personal account and show you how to use Mango Card app to sell your gift card in 2026. Now let's go, guys. Let me log in. Guys, I've logged in right now. This is my account right now. Now let's say we want to sell gift card right now. This is what you are going to do. You can see here, you can see the interface. You can see here, you can see these are the type of gift card. You can just place your hand on and throw it until you see the type of gift card you want to sell. Do you understand? So when you see the one you want to sell, let's say I want to sell, let me go for Steam. You click on Steam like this. And the next thing you can see, the second thing is to select the country of your gift card. You select the country. If it is US, select US. If it is pounds, select pounds. If it is euro, if it is Canada card, if it is Australia, select it. I'm going to use US as an example, which means right now I've selected Steam card and US. Do you understand? US Steam card. And these are the only available vendor for you for Steam card, which is taking the limit of $1 to $1,000. Do you understand right now? But I want you to understand something. Let me go to where we have a lot of vendor. Let me go and choose Apple iTunes card, Apple iTunes. And you can see on Apple US card, we have a lot of vendor. Now, let me explain something to you. You can see this one, Lisa, is taking limit of $500 to $1,000, which means if you want to sell below 500, you will not go for this. See, Bella is taking 200 to 450, which means you can only message Bella for card of $200 to $450. You cannot message him below $200 and beyond $450. Do you understand right now? Don't go and make mistake. Do you understand? And you can see Lisa again is taking $250, $250 to $250, just $250. And you can see Bella, this one is taking $100 to $150, which means you can give Bella $100 card to $150. Do you understand right now? Hope you understand. And you can see Lisa is taking $10 to $495. So between $10 to $495, you can give to Lisa. Do you understand right now? Now let's say we want to sell $100 card. We can go for Bella, which is under minimum of 100 to 150. We can go for this Lisa $10 to. We can go for this one $10 to 500. Do you understand right now? Now let's go for this one as an example right now. Now we are going to write the amount of our gift card here, $100. And now you can see $100 USD. They are going to calculate it in their currency, in Chinese currency, and they are going to calculate it in naira. It is 95,360 naira. Do you understand right now? The next thing is to scroll down. You can write your gift card code here and you click on submit. Or if you have the image of your gift card, just click on this box and you go to your gallery. You can see, go to continue without visiting, and you select your card. You can see full image, select it and you mark it like this, and it will be uploaded. Then after that, click on submit. And if your gift card is 2, you can click on the box and add another card. Then you click on submit. In few seconds they will fill your card and they will credit you. And when you go back home like this, when you go back to home, you can see account. When you click on account down here, you will see your money will be available on your balance like this. You can see I have balance of 3,005 here. Do you understand right now? Now to withdraw your money, this is what you are going to do. You can see after account, you can see order user. Click on user and you can see bank account. These are the money that I've withdrawn. Do you understand? 251,000 naira. These are the money that I've withdrawn. It will be calculate everything here. Then you can see bank account. Click on bank account. You can see add bank card. Click on add bank card. Select, choose your bank name. If you click on it, it will show all the Nigerian bank. Select the one you are using. Write the name of your bank account and enter your bank account number and click on submit, and your account will be added successfully, just like my own, like this. Do you understand right now? Then after that, you go back home and you click on account and you click on withdraw. When you click on withdraw, then you write the amount you want to withdraw here and you click on sell now, and your money will deliver to your bank account sharp. Do you understand right now, guys? So this is a step-by-step how to use Mango Card app to sell your gift card in 2026. Make sure you like this video, share it, and also if you have any question, write it in the comment section, guys. One love.